guys, and welcome back to my mother freaking channel. As you know, judging by the title of the video, you already know what this video is about. We are going to be doing some FLEXI rod curls. So my hair is freshly washed, and I'm just going to just use some oil, as you guys know, and yeah, put that on my hair and get it on and popping, and we're going to just jump straight into the video. So let's get started. So this is what you'll need for this look: some hair grease, mousse, a spray bottle, and your FLEXI rods, of course. So the pack of FLEXI rods I got came with this shower cap / bonnet thing. So this is the FLEXI rods. I got it off Amazon. Comment down below if you guys want me to send you the link to purchase the exact FLEXI rods that I purchased. So as you guys can see, I'm definitely due for apple cider vinegar rinse. You can check out my apple cider vinegar rinse video. I'll post the video at the top. I haven't done one in about 2 years, so if you see any build up, yeah, I just gotta do that. But anyways, let's continue on the video. So I'm just using my hair grease to retwist my roots and my locks, and I'm using 3 locks for each FLEXI curl. Just add a little mousse to the lock. Basically self-explanatory what I'm doing, but you know me, I love a good voiceover, so we're voicing over, period. And then you want to just start from the very bottom and just work your way up. So even if you have to go over the end, as you can see, like the bottom piece, go over it with the lock just to lock it in, and then continue rolling, if I'm making sense. But if you see in the video, it's basically
if it ain't money, the wrong number. Black card is my business card. The way it be setting the tone for me. I don't eat it bright, but I be like, put it in the bag, yeah. When you see the max, they stack good like my, yeah. Go from the start to the booth, make it up back in one loop. Give me the loot, now I got the juice. Nothing but never we screw. Look at my neck, ain't got enough money to pay.
So as you can see, for this one, I'm only using 2. So it just depends on how I want my curls. So if you want to use 3 for each of your locks, 4, 2, it all depends on you. And as you can see, the FLEXI rod is much skinnier for the 2 that I'm doing. Yeah, I can't speak right now. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, it's just different sizes that this pack comes with, and just different combos you can do throughout your hair that I really like. So just kind of playing around with it, having fun, choosing different sizes randomly. It's no particular order, so you guys can follow what I'm doing, or you can just do your own thing. I'm kind of just winging it at this point. If you guys are finding this video helpful or interesting in any type of way, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And don't forget to comment down below if you guys want to know exactly the link to the FLEXI rods, on exactly where I got them from. It's on Amazon, but if you want the exact pack that I got, then let me know in the comments, and I will personally, you know, send you a link. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can see some more behind the scenes pics of the final results, because your girl was looking cute. So follow me at @TheDianaFrancis, and follow my brand page, if you will, at Shop Indie Brands. Oh yeah. To lock the curl, all you have to do is bend the top part of the FLEXI rod and the bottom part of the FLEXI rod just to close it, and it will not go anywhere. So as y'all can see, I'm doing this one over instead of using the thick FLEXI rod for these three. I'm going to use a thinner one just because I want the front to be extra curly and I want the curls to be tighter. So I figured using a skinnier FLEXI rod will give that better, like a more spirally curl. I told you I can't speak right now, I'm tired. But it'll give the more spiral curly effect. For the thicker flexi rods, I'll use the back. I'll use, oh sugar, I can't talk. Okay, you guys know what I'm trying to say. Don't forget as you are doing it to continue oiling your hair, oiling your locks, your roots, all that good stuff, because you know, while it's in the protective style and the curl style, you want it to still be hydrated and not get fragile and brittle. So definitely make sure you put a lot of nice oil. Okay, so what I was trying to say when I couldn't speak earlier is for the thicker flexi rods, I'm going to save those for the back portion of my hair, just because if the curls aren't as spirally in the back, it's not that big of a deal. But for the front, I definitely need the curls to be more curly, more spirally, and just, you know, give that fuller effect. So for this one I'm using 4 because these locks are pretty slim, so like on the thinner side. So I feel like I can afford to do 4 on 1. I'm going to use a thinner flexi rod just to give it a better curl, being that I'm using so many locks on this one flex. On this one flex. See, one side is done and we still got all of this left. Oh my god.
Just try it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it, I got it, I want it.
Moment of silence, y'all. I forgot to use the mousse. I have not been using the mousse for like the last few, but it's okay because we getting back to it. And just like that, she is not done.
Wearing no ring, but ain't gon' mean no misses. By matching diamonds for 6 a month. I'd rather spoil all my friends with my riches. Think we tell therapy, my no addiction. Hella sad money means I'll get products. Must not have had enough money to solve. They say which one I say now. I want all of them.
Your girl had to wipe all that grease and oil off her hands, okay?
My skin is changed, the way it shine.
Now we are going to just put mousse all over. Okay. Not all over, but, you know. This is just going to give some extra hold to the curls and make all the little fuzzies lay down. And, you know, just ensure you are going to have the curls for the girls. So let's open up this bonnet / shower cap thing. Let's see what it's about. I don't know. Okay. Wait for the final reveal and what the hell is this? Are you ready for the reveal? Okay, let's go. thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I will see you next time. Bye.